We're making the salad dressing higher in protein and lower in fat with clean, natural ingredients. Now we're going to start with cottage cheese. And I love using cottage cheese not only for its nutritional benefits, but also for the flavor. Because once you blend it down smooth, it just adds a really delicious, subtle, cheesy flavor. So we're going to add 1/3 cup of either large curd, small curd, low fat, non-fat, whatever your preference. Next we'll add 1/3 cup of milk, and my preference is almond milk. And then we'll add 1/3 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I prefer buying a block of Parmesan cheese and then grating it myself because the store-bought pre-shredded cheeses have been coated in cellulose to keep the little strands from sticking together. Next we'll add 1/4 cup of light olive oil and 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and a couple dashes of pepper. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley. Now you could use any upright blender to mix this together. I'm going to use my chopper cup that comes with my immersion blender. And now we have this very creamy and fragrant Caesar salad dressing. And I'll go ahead and pour this into my mason jar. And you can control the thickness of the dressing by either adding a little bit less or a little bit more of your milk. Now that is a beautiful Caesar salad made with clean, nutrient-dense ingredients. And now for the best part. Crunchy. That is delicious. Sorry if I have lettuce in my teeth. The dressing has the perfect amount of flavor coming in from the Parmesan cheese and the lemon juice and that little bit of mustard. And I love knowing that I'm eating something with clean, natural ingredients that was super easy to make. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.